Aliens sound different, right? Over the years, we heard so many myths and stories about aliens in sci-fi movie stories, mostly the Marvel and DC comics. Now the question is, do aliens really exist? Before that, we have to know about what is the word mean alien. I'm Shimanta Shumit. Let's get into the topic. Good afternoon, dear audience. How are you all? Hope that you all are doing great. I'm very excited and delighted to be here. Thanks to honorable judges and my dear audience to give me the opportunity to say something before you. Today's my topic is existence of aliens. Alien is a Latin word which means a creature come from outer space. But we don't know why. Whenever we hear the word alien, we imagine a picture of a green creature, blonde hair, without eyebrow, a big eyes, and green color. We have 4 fingers. We don't know why. It doesn't make any sense. Now, who has any knowledge about aliens must know about Area 51 in America. In 1947, most of the American media outlets was claiming that their alien spaceship had seen there. But after a couple of weeks, it's learned that what was the world media claiming to be an alien UFO, basically an American Navy Air Force fighting jet, Falcon 16 or F-16. Basically, America was trying secretly taking preparation from the Cold War, and they were using this fighter jet there. So, and there is also incident and myths that a alien spaceship found on Sahara Desert, but it hasn't any faithful or reliable proof that it is really or not. So, if I share my own experience or opinion about this, the existence of alien, there's 50-50 chance may alien exist or may not. We have known a little part of our whole universe. There is a possibility that there can be alien or may not. We live in Milky Way galaxy. In Milky Way galaxy there is sun, 8 planets including Earth, the home of life, and countless stars, comets, and many other things. So with the help of James telescope, scientists already discovered almost 1,000 of galaxies. So there is a possibility that among this galaxy there might be a planet that has the pulse of life, who can say. Because as the almost every galaxies are far away from Milky Way galaxy, so it is very hard to collect information or find out is there any civilization present or not. But I think our world scientists are trying too hard to fix this problem, and we are expecting that in future, the far future, we will explore more. So it's all about this, and it's okay, that's all. It's a very nice and memorable moment with all of you. Thanks for listening to me with patience. Thank you very much.